प्रचोदयात्। तूने हमें उत्पन्न किया, पालन कर रहा है तो तुझसे ही पाते प्राण हम। दुखियों के कष्ट हरता है तू, तेरा महान तेज है छाया हुआ सभी स्थान। सृष्टि की वस्तु वस्तु में तू हो रहा है विद्यमान। तेरा ही धरते ध्यान हम, मांगते तेरी दया। ईश्वर हमारी बुद्धि को श्रेष्ठ मार्ग पर चला, दाता हमारी बुद्धि को नेकी के रास्ते चला।
The vision of the school is Gyan, Swabhiman and Kalyan, which means knowledge adds grandeur to one's persona. Boost his confidence and help him stand with his head held high, promoting individual and social welfare. VCM will promote excellence in educational endeavors at all levels, so as to develop human resources which will meet the future challenges of the society.
Our school vision is to impart quality education by providing a dynamic learning environment, inculcating universal values and developing global vision so that each child becomes a lifelong learner and takes initiative for global peace, harmony and sound economy.
परिमल पुनीत, परहितरत, प्रणपालक, परम गंभीर, यशस्वी, यथार्थवादी, याज्ञिक, कर्म योगी आप, रजत रूप, रंजित मन, राष्ट्र के गौरव भी आप, राष्ट्र के गौरव भी आप।
Founders never leave our memories, for they have indelible footprints on our mind. They give us the reasons to look back. On the occasion of the birth anniversary of a great legend and a profound industrialist, Mahatma Shri Satyanand Munjal, we as a BCM family is paying tribute to him. The amazing man was born on 24th May 1917 in Kamalya in Lyalpur district of undivided India. He was born to a great personality, Shri Bahadur Chand Munjal, graced with the motherly love of Miss Thakur Devi Munjal. He was fourth in the hierarchy of 6 brothers. We will always remain indebted to the parents who gave birth to such a pure soul. He had his early schooling in traditional Gurukul pattern. He was a distinguished scholar who sincerely followed the Arya Samaj path, resulting in achieving the award at the very young age of 17 years. Mahatma Satyanand Munjal was married to Miss Pushpavati Munjal. She, being a great follower of Maharishi Dayanand Saraswati Ji, supported the ideas of her husband in performing Vedic Havan and other religious rituals which ultimately became the daily routine of their life. Mahatma Satyanand Munjal was the first from the family to be in business, where he nurtured the fastest growing enterprise in northern India, that is Hero Group. He also nurtured the value for which the group is known, for integrity with fierce desires for achievements and leadership. Being an industrialist, he had a very wide interest in various fields like education, masses health and Arya Samaj. He has been instrumental in establishing and nurturing various schools and colleges. He has started Gurukul of Girls which is the first Gurukul in the state of Punjab. He was a pioneer in making of BCM group of educational institutions. To mention a few institutions like BCM Arya Model Senior Secondary School, Shastri Nagar, Ludhiana, RS Model Senior Secondary School, Shastri Nagar, Ludhiana, BCM School, Chandigarh Road, Ludhiana, BCM College of Education, etc. He was involved in setting up of Dayanand Medical College and Hospital also. The success of the students has a reflection of the noble deeds of Mahatma Shri Satyanand Munjal, and his vision towards education will also motivate us. He believed in self-discipline. He was called a Mahatma for his great contributions in the services of Arya Samaj. His inspiration, vision, and words of wisdom will always spread the fragrance all around.
ऋषि के सच्चे सैनिक तुम थे, ऋषि के सच्चे सैनिक तुम थे, आर्य प्रवर हे सत्यानंद जी। गहरी निष्ठा से ऋषिवर के कार्यों को गति तुमने दी थी। प्रतिफल की आशा भी तुमने जीवन में किंचित ना की थी। ओजस्वी वाणी से तुमने ऋषिवर का संदेश सुनाया। सिद्धांतों के हित में तुमने प्राणों का उत्सर्ग किया। वाणी के कौशल से तुमने वर्गों को अपवर्ग दिया। कैसे बढ़े प्रगति के पथ पर दयानंद का आर्य समाज। प्रतिपल इन्हीं विचारों से ही घड़ते रहे सुस्वस्थ समाज। उच्च विचारों से अपलावित था उत्कट व्यक्तित्व तुम्हारा। वैदिक पथ अनुगमन वृत्ति से प्रायोजित कर्तव्य तुम्हारा। गौरव आर्य जनों के तुम थे, था आर्यत्व सम्माहित तुमसे। ओजस्वी तेजस्वी थे तुम, साहस तुम में भरा अपार। हे सच्चे अनुयायी ऋषि के, मेरा नमन तुम्हें शतबार, मेरा नमन तुम्हें शतबार, मेरा नमन तुम्हें शतबार।
Good morning, everybody. At the outset of today's pious program on the birthdays of Mahatma Ji Satyanand Ji Munjal, I congratulate you all. At the same time, I recall my association with Mahatma Satyanand Munjal, and if I remember correctly, few things I would like to share, and these things they are guidelines for all of us. He believed in simplicity and high thinking. Normally when he used to visit the school, every time he used to ask, Principal जी, सारे स्टाफ मेंबर्स ठीक है, सारे बच्चे ठीक है, आप ठीक हो? So that kind of association we had with Mahatma Satyanand Munjal. I remember that in most of his address during annual functions, he used to stress one thing, which was कि जैसे सूर्य के समान प्रकृति ने हमें जो सूर्य दिया है, और सूर्य के समान अगर हमें बनना है तो सूर्य के समान चमकना सीखे। जैसे सूर्य जो है अंधकार को दूर कर देता है, वैसे ही विद्या अज्ञान के अंधकार को दूर कर देती है। और वो अक्सर कहा करते थे कि विद्यालय के अंदर सभी जो है अध्यापक अध्यापिकाएं यही काम कर रहे हैं, तो असल में सभी सूर्य, और इस सूर्य को हमें जलते हुए रखने के लिए जो भी कार्य करने पड़े, अपने आप को जो है एम्पावर करने की दिशा में और कुछ अधिक अच्छा करने की दिशा में, वो उनको हमें हमेशा ही करते रहना चाहिए। मैं ये भी बताना चाहूँगा, जो फाउंडर ट्रस्टी थे उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छा एक विजन रखा, ज्ञान स्वाभिमान कल्याण, और in that direction the present trustees, the chairman of the foundation Mr. Sunil Kant Munjal, the other members Mr. Yogesh Munjal, Mr. Suresh Munjal, Mr. Vijay Munjal, Mr. Pankaj Munjal, they also have a very great vision, and we are all fortunate to have visionary leadership of Sunil Kant Munjal. At present he is also the chairman of Doon School, and with his guidance I am sure that all of you will walk towards a unique direction to make the things happen, and the vision which they have set that may be realized very soon. Along with this pious occasion, I am very glad to share with all of you that the school is completing 25 years of existence. It is all because of the hard work of teachers and continuous support of parents. So on this day, I extend my greetings and heartfelt gratitude to all the teachers and parents, with the hope that in future they will continue to support the school in its all endeavors. And actually we are in a cusp between two worlds, world before pandemic and world after pandemic. But I am very glad that all the teachers, they swiftly switched over to this online teaching. This is possible because of visionary leadership of coordinators, headmistress and other people who are there to guide these teachers. I am also very happy to find the parents engaged during the online teaching. It is because of these combined efforts that we are able to do all the activities, academic as well as co-curricular activities here in the school system. My good wishes once again. Thank you very much. God bless you all.
First rule of Arya Smart: God is the ultimate source of all true knowledge and of objects that are known through his means.
The second rule of Arya Samaj is God is personification of existence, intelligence and bliss. He is formless, almighty, just, benevolent, unborn, endless and infinite, unchangeable, beginningless, incomparable, supporter of all, Lord of all-pervading, omniscient and controller of all forms, with an undecaying, imperishable, fearless, eternal, holy and maker of universe.
Third rule of Arya Samaj: the Veda is a scripture of true knowledge. It is a paramount duty of Arya to learn and teach Veda, to hear it, read and to recite it to others.
The fourth rule of Arya Samaj is we should always be ready to embrace truth and to forsake untruth. Fifth rule of Arya Samaj: all acts should be done in accordance with Dharma, after deliberation what is right and wrong.
Sixth rule of Arya Samaj: the prime object of Arya Samaj is to do good to the world, that is to promote physical, spiritual and social welfare.
Seventh rule of Arya Samaj: we should treat all people with affection, justice and with regard to their merits.
Eighth rule of Arya Samaj: we should dispel ignorance and promote knowledge.
Ninth rule of Arya Samaj: No one should remain satisfied with his own welfare. He should regard his welfare in the promoting the welfare of all.
10th rule of Arya Samaj. All men should subordinate themselves to the laws of society, circulate to promote the well-being of all. They should be free in regard to the laws for promoting individual well-being.
शान्तिरन्तरिक्षगुं शान्ति पृथिवी शान्तिराभा शान्तिरोषधया शान्तिवनस्पतया शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्मा शान्ति सर्वगं शान्ति शान्ति रेव शान्ति सामा शान्ति रेधि ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति